so important that other people don't lose their lives. Had this been when my son died, he was a couple of feet from the edge of the water. This could have saved my son's life. And like many of you here, it could have saved your loved ones' lives too.
Even on a hot day, they look really, really inviting. The reality is just below the surface of the water is incredibly cold. The sun just doesn't penetrate that far down. So that means when people go into the water, muscles become sort of going to cramp, and people just cannot help themselves, even incredibly strong swimmers.
We were trying to think of something that could detract people from going in, kind of put them off going in, offer them a lifeline, and also help fire and rescue get here quicker.
To see him actually installed, but such a big event, is astonishing, and all the families that have come here. And at the start of the day they said, you know, it might get quite emotional, but when they started speaking I didn't realise how emotional it was going to be.
On this board contains specific information, in this case GM02 Green Booth Reservoir.
Does your phone, please? He's 14 years.
There's been a demonstration from the fire brigade for the water safety lines that have been installed at this reservoir where Paul Lawson lost his life, sadly.
We're all here for the same reason. We've all lost a loved one, son, a daughter, you know, a brother, a sister. But the fact of the matter is that we are doing something positive in memory of our loved ones, and we are trying to ensure that others don't feel the pain that we feel.
The fact that the families have been brave enough to dedicate the boards to loved ones really brings the story to life. And we hope that that again will cause people to think about potentially the danger they're going to put themselves at. But we're not naive, and we are aware that on occasion people may not read the boards, people may not have heard the Be Water Aware message, and we know that people may enter the water. The whole concept of the water safety boards at every level is to reduce risk.